Hi, in this companion video, we are doing a very tiny tweak to the main video, and that is switching out Azure OpenAI for normal OpenAI. So in order to do that, of course, we need an API key for OpenAI and not Azure, uh, and we need the models from them. Beyond that, we are going to change out a slight piece of code. So let's get started. So up in the different models up here, we can go and find the different model names. So let's go to different models. But essentially, we're going to use the same ones that we used before. So we're going to use Luna for our agents. So here I am in OpenAI specific project here. And I'm going to put in the LLM model. I'm going to find the embedding one. Let's just search for embedding. Here we have the embedding models. Let's use the small like we did in Azure. And then we're going to need an OpenAI key. So we need an account with OpenAI and go to their platform.openai. I'm going to show my key here, but it's going to be deleted after the fact. So no harm in you seeing it. I'm going to grab the key. And we are ready to go in terms of configuration. In terms of NuGet package, we actually don't need anything else. We actually need to take one away, which is the Azure OpenAI, which I already done, because we have the Microsoft Agent Framework with OpenAI, and that actually gives the one we need. So all we need to do is we need to make our client and our embedding generator, and then everything else should be the same. So we can go in and say OpenAI client instead of Azure OpenAI client. And that just needs an API key. So I think I call it OpenAPI key. Yeah. So we get our clients, and from the client we can say get embedding clients with the embedding model, just same, and say as AI embedding generator. We get exactly the same type of object. So whenever we do the in-memory down here, or some other combination, again, you can mix and match whatever you wish. You could even take a Google model and give it the embeddings of OpenAI model, because it's the vector search tool that takes care of turning it back into real normal text. But in this case, we're just using the in-memory vector store. So, and when we come down to the model, to the build here, it's exactly the same as well. So if we just run it, we will see that it will show exactly the same setup and hopefully give us back yes42 as the password, which it did. So not much to switch between Azure, OpenAI and OpenAI. The only thing really being the different client. Instead of Azure OpenAI client, it's the OpenAI. So simple and easy to switch between them. But that's everything. See you on the next one.